Hey everybody, so I'm making a mad dash to Harbor Freight because I just learned that the Predator 212 on sale is $129.99 right now. So I'm gonna head in here, take a look real quick and take a peek and see if it fits. I don't know, I took some measurements at home, but I don't know if it's gonna fit because my tire is kind of tall, so I'm not entirely sure. So I think if we take a look, hopefully they have one on display I can take a look at and kind of see if it would fit or not. They have limited stock here all the time, so let's see what they got. Okay, we're gonna take a look and see what they got in there. Hopefully they have one on display. I might have to shut the camera off when I get in there. I'm not sure if they allow filming, but okay, they have the non-Hemi on display. Let's see what's in this box in here. $69730. That was $69530. Looks like the non-Hemi. 69730. Okay, I got it. Predator 212, part number 69730. Again, it's the non-Hemi. We looked at the valve cover in there. Let's see. It's the stamped one. That's fine. I'm gonna take it home and see. I didn't have too much time to take a good measurement and look. So, we'll take a look at home. Okay, everybody, we're in a bit of a dilemma here. I got this snowblower here. And it actually has a Predator 212 on there. So now we got an issue because we just bought that brand new one at Harbor Freight, and I just happened to get this one. So now the dilemma is, do I put the used one on or that brand new one we got? I mean, it would save $129.99, so plus taxes, you know, we're looking at $150. It looks decent. The guy said he just started it this week, and it's actually a Toro. I actually never run across any snowblowers in the area here with a Predator engine on there, so it's pretty exciting. So let me know what you think. Should we put the old snowblower Predator on there, or should we put the brand new one on? I still got to see if they even fit, because the way my tire comes off, it's pretty high, so I don't know, if the angle is going to fit here.